Welcome to how to see your Amazon account password. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Amazon account password. So follow this guide. So when you had signed into Amazon, your device or something else may have gotten saved your password. For example, I'm using Android, or if you're using Google Chrome, there is a chance the password may have been saved to your Google account. If you're using an iPhone, they have their own password manager. You can find it in your iPhone settings. However, if you're using an Android or Google Chrome or even another type of browser, go and check the browsers or your Google account's password manager. So I'm on Google now. I'll go and click on the profile icon in the top right and click on manage your Google account. You can then scroll across to security, and you need to scroll down. At the bottom here, you will see password manager. Click on manage passwords, and as you can see, there is Amazon. I just completed the security and I can now go and see my username and my password. I can copy it or go and reveal it. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question, doubt or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section below.